Just continue for now.
Okay, everyone. Let's hope all of you are doing well. All of you have rested well because we're about to start the class now. Can you hear me? I said hope all of you have rested
Yes,
well.
sir, we can
Please,
hear you. Yes,
I
sir, we
need
can
any
hear you.
responses so that I can start the class. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we
we
can hear
Yes,
you.
sir, I can
can
hear
hear
you.
you. We can hear you.
Okay. So ask now, how are you guys doing? Hope you have rested well and you're ready for the class today.
Yes, I'm rested well. I'm ready for the class today.
Okay. So yesterday I started a little bit of CSS with the people that were available, and we looked at some simple and basic things to know. So I'm just going to run through it a little and you guys will follow up. So I started with body. Now, like I said yesterday, CSS is basically the design of your web page. How all your fonts look like, as you can see on my screen. How your font looks, how the color is, the designs, everything, the margins, the size of everything. This is basically done on your CSS. So I started with the simplest, like the most basic thing to know about CSS, the background color. Now, body. What is Why I put body here is because we're starting the body. Now, what is the body? Is this place, all these things that you're seeing here. Are you guys hearing
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
me? Are you sure you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Is it sharing well? Okay.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So, like I said, the body that I wrote there is designing everything from where I opened my body tag to where I closed it, which is here. The reason why it's sharing red is that I was working on something, and I'll show you that later. Let me just close here. Okay. So this body that is here is everything I was designing in my CSS, this place, the background color. And for those that were here, I showed you what it looks like and how everything came around.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to, you guys remember how it looks like, right? I remember how to run it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So H1, what is H1? The H1 is my heading here, basically my heading here that I was showing you. Now, before I put all the section and everything, what I was doing then is I was showing them how to design different things like H1. Now, the things that you do is that you carry what you want to design, write it here, open a bracket, and then you can design it inside it. You guys remember all of that, right?
No, sir.
Who is saying no? You're probably new.
Sir, it's me.
Sample.
Oh, you see, for those that were not here yesterday, a video will be up for you to learn all of this again. That's why I'm just running through it very quickly. You all
Okay,
understand?
okay, sir.
Okay. Now, so this is basically everything. So what font size does is that it changes the font size of the text, the side of the text that you had. And this is the unit that they are using to measure it basically. This is the standard one that we use. You know what font family is now, your font style, you know what color is. Color is the color of the text. And let's go to border. What is a border? A border is like a line. It's like a line that encloses the text. I think I'll show you that one just to avoid confusion. So it's basically a line that covers the text. Let me stop sharing and then I'll show you what exactly it is and what it does. Okay, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And like I said yesterday, border is basically you can see the hello world, right? Border is basically the line around it. That's just what border is. Now look at this one because I don't think I'll be coming back here to explain this border. So just you guys have seen it, well, you've seen everything, right? You guys are seeing,
Sir,
right? A
what are
show
the
of hands,
two
please.
PX do?
Yeah, I'm getting there. I just want to tell you, I just want you guys to see what the border is because I'm not coming back here to explain it. You guys have all taken it in, right? You're seeing how the border looks on my hello world.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go back to VS Code. Now, this 2px that is here is basically the thickness of that border. You guys saw how small the lines were, how tiny they were. That's what 2px does. Like the font size is basically the thickness of the border, sorry. Now, what solid is the type of border it will be. As you guys saw in the web page, it was a continuous line. Now, the thing is that the solid here can be changed to, let's say, dotted. You guys can see. You guys are seeing it, right?
Yes, sir.
It can be changed to dotted, it can be changed to double.
Sir, please repeat it.
Repeat what?
You did now that show all the color.
Okay. First, please be paying more attention. What I was saying is that this is what it looks like before, solid, right? Now, I'm telling you that solid is the type of border it will be, which is why you can have a dotted borderline or a double borderline. All of these are just colors, but anything you see with those two texts next to it, those are what type of borders your border will be. So for now, let's leave it as solid. And blue is the color of the borderline. Now, display. What is display? So this display, at first it was display inline block. If you guys remember, the ones that were here, do you guys
Yes,
remember
sir.
what the display inline block did? Okay. Now, what it did is that it's because when you make a border, when you're using your border, it takes the whole what do you call it? The whole line that H1 is on. So for it to fit only around the text, that's what display inline block did. Do you guys understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
It's only both of you that are responding. If you understand what I'm saying, please let me see your hands. Okay. Okay. That's good. So since you guys understand, you can put your hands down and continue. For those that were here, you saw what this inline block did. What it did is that it fits the border around your text. And margin is what is the is margin. I explained like it's like the space around the elements that you are working on, like this H1 now. That's why this margin now is a general margin. That is why what this thing does, this 40 px I told you, is a unit for measuring, basically. It's the amount of space you have between the now this 40 px photo that I did here is what I use to centralize the- as it
So please, you're breaking.
on my web page. Okay. We sent the left and can you guys not hear me?
So I can hear you.
If
I
you
can hear
can,
you
please raise
now.
up your hands.
So we can hear you.
Just raise up your hands if you can hear me. Okay. Uh, and Deacon, where did you stop hearing me from? Because I'm not sure you guys were hearing me for a while. Let me go back.
Uh, we hear, I stopped hearing when you said margin is like where margin is a general margin, and they said 40 px is
Oh,
like the measurement. That's where.
okay. Okay. What I was saying is that 40 px, this px that you're seeing is basically what you're using to measure what needs to be measured.
So I
Sorry
can't hear
guys,
you
like I
anymore.
left the meeting for a while. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So what I was saying is that the 40 px is basically the unit of measurement. That's what I was. Tolu, you raised your hand. You have a question.
No, sir.
Okay. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please indicate. Okay. Looks like you guys are hearing me. The rest of you, can you not hear me? Okay, Ricochet, you're hearing me. Tolu, Unique, Utibe. Are you guys hearing me? Akan, how about you? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like I was saying, 40px is basically the spacing. Like I said, imagine the spacing around an element of the outside an element. So imagine it's probably the measurement of that spacing. I mean the 40px is the measurement of that spacing around the element. Now this was what I did to centralize what you saw. The 40px photo. It added, it added at least like 40px to both Lido horizontal, balance it out and set it horizontally. And while centralizing, I had to change here this display to a block element so that I will use width to fit the borderline around the text. That is the only way that is the only way it was able to be centralized. Do you guys understand? Do you guys understand, please? I want to move on from here. Is it that you guys are not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We understand you.
During the class, but sure. Now, let's get to the place I wanted to come today. Yesterday, for those who were in class, I think first week, you probably remember, I touched a little bit on how to design different sections and different sections alone. And I told you that we'll have to go to your HTML and your CSS for this part. So this, this is what I wanted to touch today. So listen attentively. And whenever you stop hearing me, please indicate. Okay. So for those of
Yes,
you who are probably doing this to me, we'll come to our index.html. Now let's show you something. Let's remove here. Okay. Now this is probably what your HTML looks like with your different write-ups from your body to your H1. Now let's say you wanted to design only a particular section of your web page. This is how you go about that. Hope you guys are following. Just raise up
yes,
your hands if you guys
yes,
are
sir. I'm
following. Let me be
following.
sure. Okay, you're following. For those who cannot speak, please raise up your hands. Let me be sure. I can, yeah. So this can also be applied in WebLab, but for now, let's do it here. Now, for you to design a particular section, in the name implies, as you can see, the closing tag itself. As the name implies, a section tells your web page that you're talking about a specific area. So let me show you. Let's go with section. And I'll remove this part since we already have one closing here. Now, section. Like I said, from the opening tag of this section to the closing tag, it tells your page that whatever you're doing is only within this space. It's only within this space. Now, you can have multiple sections. Make sure you're seeing another section here. So that is where this class comes in. Hope you guys are following. So just if you are
Yes,
following.
sir.
So Lou, do you have a question?
No, sir. You said we should raise our hand.
Yeah, when you've raised it and I've seen it, you can drop it down so that I will not get confused. So since you guys are following, class is basically the name of your section. This is what you use to design it in your CSS. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
understand.
sir, we understand.
Or anytime I ask if you understand, just raise up your hands so that I don't, yeah, I don't want the place to be too rowdy. If I ask if you understand, please raise up your hands and then drop them again. So, hope you guys are following. Now, let's do this section. When you write your section, it's in that same opening tag. You don't close it yet. You type class. Class is going to. This is like I said. This is the name of that section. So I already used the hello. So let's go. Let's go with that. This is the name of your, and you close it. This is the name of your section. For those that are doing it in VS Code, and like I said, what it does, it basically tells you the web page that you're talking about. So I can have multiple classes um in your in your code, in your HTML file. Now to design this particular section, we're going to go back to CSS. And since we are here, you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
You
You
guys are
can
following
see.
up, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So for those who cannot speak, just simply raise your hands and then drop them back. I want to be sure that everybody's playing along. Okay. So section. Yeah, let's keep going. So to design, let me remove all of this now, sir, since I'll be showing you this one live. Okay, so we are here. Now, to design a particular section, what you do is that you press the full stop and type in the section name, which is what you saw there. And then you open your brackets. This bracket is very important when you want to design anything in CSS. So I hope you guys are following.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the same time I ask, just simply raise up your hands if you guys are following. First way you're following. And is she the only one? Yukichi is following, Tori is following, Masai is following. Okay, you can drop them down. I'm sure Andikan and Akan are following. Felicitas, that's good, you're following. Who is Dami? I've been seeing Dami a lot. Dami, are you following? Christian, you're following. Ekim, you're following. Okay. Is the person on this call? Oh well, let's continue. Now, like I said, hello. So, if you go back to my index.html, can see that I put this hello there. This hello is the class, is the section name. That's the easiest way to describe it. Is the section name. So as I put hello there, press enter. Now what does hello do? This is basically, you can basically design your background colors to be hello and everything. So let's make it a bit more, maybe more. I'll change it to gray. I'll come here. So I'll come here and let's go for background color. What color do you guys want?
So, aqua.
What did you say?
So aqua.
Aqua. Okay. Let's go for aqua. We control save. And I'll go back to my web page and show you guys there. Can you guys see it now?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. So instead of changing the whole page to aqua, you just change this particular section. You guys understand?
So mine is not doing for some reason.
Uh
So,
okay.
so please, could you just go back to the HTML page so I can see the code?
Okay. Give me a sec. The HTML.
Code
So
like
here,
well, like where you wrote the section class.
can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, I can see
Okay.
your screen.
So section class. If the section class is not working, it's probably because you probably put it outside the tag. Everything about the class and the class name should be inside the tag. So is yours working now? Is yours working? I can. So you can continue.
I'm still typing it.
No, it's that just section class. Okay, let's do something. I can
Yes, sir.
and you can, for those that are following me, does your VS Code autocomplete?
Also complete.
Okay.
How it know what if it's actually also complete?
So this is what you do. Do you have this thing on your, can you see if you can see? Do you have this place in your VS Code?
Uh, how do you get there?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, I have, but mine has it.
Okay, if yours has it, that is okay. If yours have it, that is the co-pilot, and that is those are your suggestions. So you can,
Enable it.
okay. I disable mine because I don't want it to be auto-completing so much. But
Uh,
you can turn yours on and keep it as a high. You're just do basically what I did.
okay.
Have you done so?
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
We had them.
Have you guys done that so that we can move on?
Yes, sir. I've done it. I've done mine.
Okay, check if it works.
Yes, yes, it works. It works.
Okay. Now that is basically it's the easiest way to is better that way. As well, I can type H1 and it will show me the and auto complete myself. So can I move on? I can. There's something
Yes,
I
sir, you
can.
can move on.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you,
I
sir.
can move on. Okay. I just want to click on something. Okay. I can. If and you're listening because you had a problem with this section. Your section should cover is it's under your body because all of these things under your body. Your
So I
section is
know.
one area. It's not working. The co-pilot, I can. Is it the co-pilot?
Yes, sir.
Do you have it?
Yes, I've seen this page.
Is it? Have you done what I've done or what your brother did?
I tap on the co-pilot. I don't know what to do from.
Okay. When you tap on the co-pilot, does it look like how mine looks like displaced?
Not quite.
Huh?
Yes, sir, it does. So it
Okay.
does.
Can you check if it works?
Please, I can't hear you.
It's
You're
working.
breaking.
So how do I enable it?
Can I?
Who enable it? Yeah, just basically just tapping all of this. I don't want mine enabled, so that's why I leave it this way. What is yours enabled? Have you enabled yours?
So I don't know how to enable it.
Come here and tap, tap what? Tap the ghost text section and the ghost text suggestion for HTML. Have you done that?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Uh, and you can, you guys, I can, all of you, are you guys hearing
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
me? Okay. So I asked if you have done so, if you have done what, if you have done
Yes, I've done it.
is it working? Huh? Is it working?
Oh, yes, I'm working.
Okay.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
I can continue. Yeah, I can continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. So if I go back to the styling and everything, you guys can see. I want to tell you that your section is supposed to cover from the place just before you start your header, your H1, immediately after your body. So you end that particular to whatever you're talking about, whatever that header is about. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since you guys are hearing me, let's move on. Now we change the background color to aqua. We can change now. Okay, let's move on to something specific like the H1 of that particular display. If you're seeing my screen, we're going to start styling the H1 on its own now, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, it's a full stop, hello, and you're adding your H1. Are you guys following? Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you do that, your brackets, you press enter, and you can start. Basically, what you did here, this place, or you can put it here. Because once I've done this now, here doesn't matter again. This place I did my original H1, it doesn't matter again. Are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do a little, let's do a little something. Font color. Sorry, font family. Let's go with, which one should I choose?
So anyone you want to choose?
Let's go
Like,
with cursive. I don't know if it's fantasy. Let's see. Not used that before. Font size. Let's go with 49 px. What else? Color. Let's make the color a, let's just make it something simple. I don't know color to pick. Let's pick something random. Dark red. Okay. Simple Control S. Come here. And I will stop sharing and start sharing again. Can you guys see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's how I now let me show you something. You can see these two places, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's show you something. Okay. So let's go back to my HTML. Because if you notice this section, this code house, this section class code house, if you guys are seeing, are you guys seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Now I can't be the only one answering. I mean, if you're hearing me, if you're following up, please raise up your hands. I need collective responsiveness. If you're following, please raise up your hands. Because this will be an assignment. I'll give you a little classwork, but this is mainly going to be an assignment. So this section, because you notice this one has a H1 of its own. And my other, my first section class also has H1. Now, the reason why the second H1 did not change as well, because I used the section class name with the H1 tag. That's the beauty of sections, really. Because with the name and the tag, the only thing you'll be touching is what is the H1 or that tag that you use. Because once you add the hello class name, that class name hello, any tag under it, even if it appears in other sections and multiple other places, what it will do is that it will only target that particular tag that you use under that section. Now, if you also notice, it had its own border and margin. Now, why is that? That's because of this H1 here. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's because of this H1 here. Now, since this H1 does not have a specific section or let's say um a specific section is covering or section or tag, a specific tag is covering, the H1 will cover every other H1 that doesn't have a section attached to it, which is why if you saw, it had its own border and the color was purple. You guys understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We know.
Okay, that's good. So let's go back to HTML now. We're going to try some things. Now, if you come to let's start using this section now. Because I have a lot of things here. Okay, no, let me show you how I'm doing it. If you come here after a H1, and let's say you want to H2. Hope you guys are following.
Yes.
And say, let's say you name it. The name is goodbye. Goodbye world. Come again. The name is H2. Family. And you come again. Hello everyone. And you come again. Okay. Are you guys know what I've done?
Yes, sir.
Now, the rest of you are not speaking. At least raise up your hand if you can, if you are following.
Yes,
And you
sir.
guys be following. I don't want anybody left behind. If you have a question at any point, please ask.
I think I'll probably restart my work because and nothing I'm doing is working. Even the background color didn't change.
I can. Nothing is working. Your link is still connected to the same style, right? And you're saving it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And you're saving the two.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
I think I'll
And
just
it's still not
restart my
working.
work. Yeah, I'll restart my work after this class. Like do everything over again.
Okay, so just be following me.
Okay, sir.
If your brother can help you, and if you can help him, please do so. Okay, let's continue. So you guys saw I put a lot of H2s here, right? Okay, let's go back to my style of CSS. Okay, and you know how we do it now. Hello, full stop and hello, then H2. Now there are a lot of H2s here, so I'm going to show you how we specify each of them. But for now, let's say I H2 and I put the color to be blue. Blue won't show. So I put the color to be gold, and I save it. Hold up. I also save my work in my HTML so that it will correspond with my style. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing now. Hope you guys can. Can you see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hands up for everyone who can see my screen. I need you guys to be attentive. Okay. Okay, you guys are seeing. Now you guys can see, right? The H2 I used, since I selected gold, it changed everything about that my H2 to gold. You guys are following, right? Now, let's say you only wanted, let's say you wanted each of them to be different colors, different designs, different fonts. Let's show you how you can do that. Okay, this is how that is possible. You come to your index of HTML again, and in your H2, what you're going to do for me is you're going to add class item 1. You can add any name. I'm using item 1. H2 class farm. The other H2, all inside the opening tag, class hi. Okay, let's control save it here and go back here. Now here's what you'll be doing. Here's what you'll be doing. Let's delete. You guys are following up, right? I hope I'm not being too fast. Andy can Okon, you,
Yes,
you
sir.
raise your hand. What's the question?
Oh, I raised my hand. Easy. Sorry, sir.
Well, you guys are following. Hope I'm not being too fast.
Ah, following.
What for you? What for you?
I know both of you are following. I'm talking about just the people on this call with us, on this class with us, in this class. Are you guys not following?
See, if you are following, just make use of the react button so we can know you are still available. So if you can thumbs up, you can thumbs up, just drop an emoji so that the tutor knows that you're following. Okay. All right. Continue.
Yeah. You guys heard what he said. If you are following, thumbs up emoji Tolu. Why are you showing? Why are you giving me party stuff? But anyhow, as long as you are following, because you guys will be asked to do this. I'm thinking whether I should ask you at the end of the account, your camera is on. I'm thinking whether I should ask you. I'm thinking whether I should ask you at the end of this, towards the end, to build something simple for me. I should give you as an assignment. Which one do you guys want? Assignments
So
for the
aside,
weekend,
yeah, aside for the weekend.
or we do it here?
So assignment for the weekend.
If you want it to be an assignment for the weekend, raise up your hands.
So please, what did you say?
I wanted to give you. I want to. I'm debating whether I should give you guys something to do before the class ends or as an assignment for the weekend. So, if you want it to be an assignment for the weekend, raise your hands up.
So if it's an assignment for the weekend, would it be harder or easier?
Uh, I'll give you instructions on what to do.
Okay.
Okay.
You can take down your hands, though. You can take down your hands.
Okay. So, I've seen most of you want it to be an assignment for the weekend. I don't know why you guys don't want to do it now, but even if you try to do it now, there won't be enough time. So, let's keep going because I think I've gone. Okay, I said I was going to do this H2. Now, if you don't want everything to be code, this is what you will do. As you come back to our index of HTML, look at your class item and your class and the name. Okay, so let's work on that now. So let's go to let's do this. So we're going to do item item one for the first class that we had here. Oh, hold up. Hmm?
So, so just have to do H2 after item.
No. That is what the class is for. Is the name of that H2. Let's make this a combined work so that to show up. And they can I've answered the question. Maybe was
Oh
it
yes,
no,
yes.
Kanda asked me.
I understand because
Okay.
the other section was longer. Because I think yeah.
Oh. Okay. So, Tolu, you raised your hand. You have a question. Tolu, do you have a question? Your hand is serious. Even you flowers. Is it a question or Tolowani? Are you still on this call with us?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
put it on them. Okay. So item one, let's go there. You want the color to be silver. Is it silver here? Okay, it's silver. Dot farm. Note all of these things are the section names. And before you can write the section name, you have to put a full stop in front of it. You understand? You understand?
Yes,
Please, if
sir.
you're hearing me, and you understand. Like my partner said, I need a razor band.
I understand.
All right, so let's change this particular farm.
Question.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, I saw something pop up on the screen. What was that? It was, I think it was something about it. Yes, yes. Thi- This selectors city. What's it about? Please?
Nothing really. As far as I
Oh,
know, it's just there because it's there and
okay.
everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. The only thing you need is the element class that is showing there. That's the only thing. That is mostly the only important information.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So farm. Let's say color should be. Let's leave the color as. Let's leave the color as gold. And what was the last one? High. All right. Okay. High. So full stop before everything, and then high. Then your brackets, and let the color be chocolate. Okay. Now for the rest of the H, what I deleted everything about the H2. For the rest of the H2, you know how we do it. Hello H2. I got for no. Okay. Hello H2 color. Let's leave it at something that stands out. Dark green. So Control S here, Control save here, just for the sake of it. And then
Sir.
also
Sir, you have an error in your code.
uh
Scroll up.
where
Up. It's still up.
which one?
Up. It's up. Yeah. Scroll down.
Hmm.
Scroll down, sir. Yes, around the side. Yes, these your curly brackets and the colon in the top. Line 13 and 12.
Where?
Line 13 and 12. Yes, sir.
Which,
Line
line
12.
what?
Line 11, 12, 13.
11, 12, 13.
Yeah, sir, it's actually up. Yes, around this side. Yes. Yeah.
I think that is the VS Code problem because it's the same thing with every other thing.
Sir?
I don't think that's a problem for me because if you notice,
Can you put your semicolon online?
yeah, I've noticed that. Thank you.
Yeah, now
All right,
it's
thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Tolu and Deacon. That's thank you for that. Let me save it now. Okay. So where were we? Um, you guys give me a second. I'll be just give me a second. I'll get back to you. Uh, my partner, Wisdom, can you like help me keep them a bit busy with just like ask them a few things that they have meant? Thank you. I need to work on something over here.
Okay, no problem. Hope you guys are following.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
she's not around
Yes,
too.
sir.
Okay. Now this set of girls that I used to look out for. I know this ones are following. Felicitas, Felicitas.
Yes,
Hope we're on
sir.
the same page. Hope we're on the same page. Oh.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Kutuban one phone. What is good that I've not unmuted their mic since the call started. Kutuban one phone. Okay. Flowers. Hope we're on the same page. Flowers.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I am on the same page with you.
All right. First, you have something to say. The answer. Oh,
Yes,
you
sir.
have a,
Can you go back to the index.html?
can I what?
Yes, sir. Can you
Okay,
go? Yeah.
I'm not the favor. Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, done. Is
Thank
that
you.
okay?
Yeah.
All right. Christian, Christian King. I haven't heard from you too. What is this people? Christian King. Is he with us? But all these people that used to just join class and maybe be sleeping or something. And we can't see your faces, so we don't know. Like me, I can be sleeping now. None of you will know. You get. So uh, I wanted doing a short test, but I trust you guys, so I'll just let that slide. I wanted doing a short test. I believe you guys understand, so there will be no point. Or should I do a test? Huh?
No, sir.
I think who said something? If I should do a test, raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, if I should not do a test, raise your hand. Raise your hand. If I should not do a test, raise your hand. If we don't like tests, if we don't like tests in this class or any exams, you don't want to hear. You
Sir,
just want you just want
do
to
you have
hear.
exam too?
You have exams now. Are you afraid?
Jesus.
Are you afraid? You have exams now. How do you want to test your knowledge? Yeah.
Jesus.
Are you afraid? Don't be afraid,
I
though.
have two assignments.
So I'm afraid though.
Don't be afraid. So you don't want tests. I'm not okay. Okay, you want tests.
So
You're
I
not
want
talking
this
about.
too.
Okay. Omotayo.
Tolu, what did you just say?
I
Those
said
are
something.
serious. Omotayo, you want tests, bro?
No, thank you, Mama.
Okay, Omotayo is not. You have not been hearing me. Okay, people that want tests are more than people that don't. Okay, if you don't want test, drop it. And if you want tests, raise your hand so I can see which is higher. I think people that didn't want tests were like five or so. If you want tests, raise your hand. No hands. The people that didn't raise hand before, where are they?
Guys, people
Tolu,
that do not want test.
Sir? Sir?
I say people that want tests now, raise your hands. If you want
Oh,
tests,
okay, sir. So my hand
raise
is
your
straight.
hand. Your
It's
hands are
only
not
Tolu's
raised.
hand I'll go.
uh, even the kind to lose service hand is not raised too. People like princes. Oh. Who else? Andika, even you. Eh? Fasu, even you. Wow.
Funny.
That's that's so shocking.
Wow.
Well, just get prepared. I didn't prepare for your test today, but just get prepared.
I'm not
Next
shocked
time,
about first.
eh?
Wait.
What do
I
you think?
don't get.
I'm not shocked that first was went to test.
I don't understand.
You're not sure that what?
I'm not shocked Fasil doesn't want to test.
I'm
Why
also
you
not
not?
sure that you took a test.
Why you not shocked?
Because it's
I'm
kind
also
of
not sure.
obvious.
Ah, okay.
Wait, tomorrow I'll give you test. I'll give you guys test tomorrow. Just
Eh?
get prepared.
Now, please test
Let me tell
about
you in
what?
advance. Let me tell you in
So I don't
advance. You
know.
can you can get prepared. What do you say?
I don't know no class tomorrow.
Who said
Uh,
for
you
this
don't really
for this test will be class tomorrow?
have.
Okay, I'm kidding, but you have a test on Monday.
Okay.
You have a test on Monday. Plus asking me what the test will be like. Don't worry, it won't be difficult. I don't set difficult tests. Has my assignment been difficult? Has my assignment been difficult? Last week, the ones I gave, were they difficult? If they were difficult, let me know so that I can know how to. I mean, the last game lab I gave was difficult. Uh,
Some people copy from YouTube. Someone like Fasil.
I know. I know them. I know them. I
Are
know.
you oh, chill.
I know the people that are going from YouTube. Right. I'll fish them out soon. But it's calm. Sha. Just get ready. Just get prepared. Sha. On Monday, you have a test. Yes. Yes. Can't be that hard. Yeah. Trust me now. It will be hard. It will be hard. I'll make it easy for everyone. It will be easy but tricky in some way. It will be easy but tricky. Yes. So not everybody will pass. I will assure. Not everybody will pass. It's only people that are very attentive. That's why you have to be very attentive. Go back, watch all the previous videos that we've uploaded. Like yesterday's when we uploaded it, I'll be uploading it anytime soon. So watch all the videos and be prepared. This is your judgment. This is your judgment day. So people think that I will not later set test, but that's nice. Though. People are very optimistic. Just get prepared. Sha. Just know it will be from CSS. Most of the tests will be from CSS and HTML. But I don't know. You guys are very lucky that your tutor is not giving you assignments, right? You'd have been receiving assignment back to back. Trust me. But meanwhile, for those that were present yesterday, who can remember what a class is? We had class in HTML. Let's just start from there. Who can tell me what a class is? Those are the kind of questions you'll be seeing. So you just who will tell me?
Class that I taught you. You guys don't remember.
Oh,
Even
see
today.
people that you thought to see people that you trusted. They follow your
And they
hands.
kind of phone. I
What
see
is it?
several people here. People are following my hands.
What is a class again?
Even you, first way. Either I was really talking to you yesterday
That's
about this
that's where
thing. You can't tell me
they
what the
that's where
class is.
you're running. So
Nah,
make I
that
do
So
that test will really be on Monday.
A family is a group of people related uh, by blood,
I
adoption.
marriage,
don't
or
understand
adoption.
though.
who said family?
I said we said class
I didn't
So
ask for
in
family.
this HTML.
wow.
Class in
HTML.
HTML.
Yes. Whereby we had under the section people that were there yesterday. I don't know. I'll fish all of you out that were there yesterday. On that section, we had section
I
class.
know those that were here.
I specified what the section class is. People that were there yesterday.
I will say it again today. So everybody here should know what class is.
This is
And I'll be asking if you understand though. And if you will be telling me
right.
yes, yes,
Nobody,
yes,
nobody would
yes.
have
Let's
passed my
go, let's
test.
go.
So nobody would have passed my test. To leaving you.
Stop.
Eh?
So, sorry,
You don't know what
I
the,
went to distance for a minute. Sorry, sir. I didn't hear what you said.
you didn't get the question. I asked
I was
what is what is the definition of class in HTML?
okay. Definition of class in
No AIs, please. Oh. No
like
AI.
so. Sir, now I'm checking my code. I want to
Okay.
check my code. So definition of class is when how do I say this? You do
Right.
class
So
equals class then one bracket like that. So I don't understand it. Wait. So I
You don't
understand
understand
it.
it.
this is
I'll stop my
shocking.
brother. I'll
This
stop
is
my
really
brother.
shocking.
Move on. I'll stop. No, I'm not charging. See that
If
it's
you
me.
understand it, or Miss Amai can speak. And they can, it's like you want to speak.
Firstly, no, me and you have problem. Wasn't that you that I was talking to yesterday?
Oh,
First
okay.
way, also
Uh,
you want to follow your tutor.
so what do you say?
He
I'm
did
sorry,
help. He
I
helped
told
you.
you, I gave you a sneak peek of what this section was.
Yeah. So I
so
know.
Firstly,
Yes.
so I can try.
you wait, I think I wait first. Firstly, what is this class?
Okay. Class is like a term used to specify a certain uh, let's say element.
Hmm. Okay, okay. I'm going to give you half mark because you wasted time.
Ah, yeah.
And you can then Ekemini.
I felt a class is like another way of identifying an
And they
element.
can wait. Another way of
I'm
identifying an
hearing
element.
you.
Whoever is
It's,
singing in that place.
can you stop singing? I feel like a class is another way of
I
identifying
can.
that.
So no. Wait, and they can meet yourself first. I can. So instead of being on this call, you get to come singing.
Wait, what?
Ism, that test, we're going to make it very hard. Hope is on this call. Nah, that test will be hard, dude.
But sir, make this only zone that will be hard though. All of our
No.
others will be hard.
Oh,
Yes,
I
so
Uh,
prefer
it's
all
not,
harder
of
it's not
test.
of
now only
you
I
because
can.
Yeah, I'm
See,
done.
Because I mean,
I can't make it. I wanted to make it hard, but I can't make it hard anymore because even the easy one, the easy question I just asked now, nobody could answer.
Ah,
So
class that I've been speaking about for a good 5 minutes before I enter CSS. Hi.
everybody's test.
so,
I'm gonna tell you, everybody's
hey,
test will be hard. Don't
so
worry.
you know what? So I make it very hard.
I'll make it hard. Yes, I'll make
Yes.
it
Make
hard.
it very hard.
Yes.
I'll make it hard.
Make it hard.
Yes,
Okay, and
they are so,
Ethan,
they are so
what's
confident.
class? What's the class?
So
What's the
a
So
class used
class.
for?
I said,
So I have a
No,
definition.
can you wait? No, can you
how
wait?
can
You
you
be
wait? I feel like
singing. Now
a
I'm
class
asking
is
your brother.
when you use it when you use a class, you can apply different different things to a group of elements. Like for example, if you use a class, you can change the font size, you can change the color, you can change the font style. Yeah.
Okay, well, wait. I can change this. I can do all of that generally. So what is so special about that class? There's something I'm looking for. What does that what is so
AK mini.
special about
AK
that class
mini.
that I need it for a particular
So
something I
special about
said?
the class. I feel like it's I don't know, it's an
AK
attribute
meaning.
or it's an attribute.
Yeah. Well, okay, let's give you half mark. I'm not
So
going to
why?
I'm not going to accept your hand because you were singing. Why?
So
Because
let me
not
No,
try.
not
sir.
you're not really saying what I
So can
need.
I try? So can I try?
Okay.
This is what
Okay,
I'm trying.
so can I try? So that singing part, I didn't
Okay.
know that was one.
Okay. Okay, all of you, if you want to try, raise up your hands. I can drop your hand down. You've tried, drop your hand down.
So I'm not yet trying now.
I said if you
Actually,
want to try, raise up your hands. I feel like this one that people want to try now. You probably seen it somewhere. Okay, we're going to start with you, Akan. We'll start with you since you want to.
So, sir,
Since,
a class is a blueprint or an extensible template used to create objects.
excuse me.
AI.
No.
AI.
Like, sir, like you
Put your
said,
ways.
down to
no, sir,
try.
I
Amos.
remember what you
Down
said
to
yesterday, sir. You
try.
said
Wait,
that
wait, wait,
HTML
pause,
is like the
wait,
structure, is like the skeleton
wait,
of the
wait.
website,
Yeah,
You need
of the
while
words.
you need
of the
blueprints.
website, while CSS is like the blueprint of the website.
Okay. Bro, Akan. I
Yes,
said
sir.
what is class, not what is CSS.
We asked what is class, and you're already saying blueprints.
And I never said blueprints yesterday. Oh. This
Somebody
AI is
said
strong.
blueprints. Ew.
See how ChatGPT can sell
Eh,
someone.
you see how your
Stop
AI
this
is really
nonsense.
strong.
I didn't
Factory,
use ChatGPT.
you you already casted yourself, don't worry. Factory, your turn. Factory, your hand is up. Oh. Should I move from me to Tolu? I don't know. Tolu, what is a class?
Okay. After I actually made some small search, a class is like is a way of styling an element. That's how I can put
Okay. It's a way of styling an element, yes, but there's something I'm looking for. It's something I said over and over again. I said that
it.
thing for a good 5 minutes before I went into CSS and I kept asking if you understood. Everybody was shouting, yes, 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 yes. So this is not nice. So if only giving me half of the answer, I can wait to that and I can wait to that and say I did the complete something completely different. So I don't know how. Okay. So is your hand finally off? What did you want to? I ready to give me your answer.
So is it me?
Yeah, you.
Me? Oh, I wanted to add that with the help of the class, it helps you differentiate from the normal code. So it like overrides the normal code.
Overrides in what sense? Because you're going a bit too far. The answer I'm looking for is actually very simple. Okay, class.
So
Okay, you have tried.
Flowers.
I'll give you one more point. One more point. Flowers. Isn't that what Matthew wants to come and say this thing? After all of you have
Okay,
said, see,
so
I can, see, and they
I
can.
think so.
You think what?
So a class is like an attribute you can put on an element to change how they look or styled.
Uh, you people are saying the same thing. There's at least one word that I'm looking for because I can change everything about everything on my body. Wisdom, do you know what? You said, I think you said we should know what the word I'm looking for. Because these people, there's one word,
People that were
just one
there
word.
should, people that were
People
there
that were there
yesterday.
yesterday. That
I
first
remember
way that I
The
was
you
using.
get
blueprint.
to repeat that word.
I wanted to say yesterday.
So
Then I had to
connection.
I'm
simplify.
talking about no, not you flower. I'm talking about first way. First way that was using my
I think
strength to say that thing yesterday.
the word you're looking for now.
Then I remember I had to simplify.
Can I try?
Even yes, even my partner says simplified that thing for
Can
you
I?
guys. Omotayo, I don't know if try because I don't know why you waited till now to try, but
Is
try.
it, is it the way of styling a specific element? Hello?
You wasted so much time, so I don't know if you went to check it somewhere, but that's what I was looking for. I don't know
So blue.
who kept saying blueprints. Who is that one saying blueprints? Oh my goodness.
Blueprint.
So I said blueprint. I said one of
I can. Blueprints for what?
Exactly. Where do you get blueprint from?
I definitely learned it
Blue,
from AI, but so I use my
Yeah.
sense to say since HTML is the structure and the skeleton of a website, what about class? Class is like the blueprint of the
no.
website.
You're confusing class with CSS. You're confusing class with CSS.
So can I
Oh
try
my
again?
God, thank you. No, I've already said the answer. You should not try again. Because people wasted so much time, I'm going to make your assignment hard.
Uh,
So
Now,
please, what's the answer?
yeah,
she
that was
said
there.
that what I was looking for is that class helps you it helps you it helps you design or it helps you design a specific okay, let's go like the section talks about a specific this thing, a specific part of your code. Class is the name of the section.
Oh,
See them.
Uh, yes,
Everywhere.
yes.
oh,
I,
so
I remember I said
I
CSS.
knew I knew it
Class
now. I
is the
knew it. I
name of
knew
the
it.
I
I knew
remember
it.
I
But
said
my
Now.
network
CSS.
is broke. I didn't hear what you said.
Because
I remember I said
yesterday,
CSS.
firstly, my colleague said that you can just call it the name of the
Just call it
section.
the name of the section. Like it's clearly written
Yes,
there, like section class. Because
Oh,
how do you refer to it on your CSS with the name? How do you refer to
yeah.
that section?
is the name. So you guys are not be wisdom. We have to make this thing hard for them.
So, so I was just joking, though.
No, no,
Wisdom.
you said it already. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
So I blame Faswe.
Ah,
Ah, ah, ah, ah. Ow.
Pathway, save
how?
us.
How?
Yeah, so
That's what
actually, Ekemini said the answer on the comment. That was what I was saying.
What?
Yeah,
Jesus.
Ekemini said it.
Yeah.
Eh.
So, Ekemini, thank you. I don't know
Okay.
if you meant to use AI, but thank you.
Yeah, Ekemini said the answer.
Chai.
Really AI.
Why you
Okay.
lying?
All right, let's go on.
So, as simple as how did you? So, you guys are not following me all this while.
So we will know.
Oh, we were. That's like we took how many minutes to tell me what class is. Ah, wow.
Hard question.
This is shocking.
I'll slap you. Yeah, is the question.
So, limit yourself. Hmm. I feel like that one. I thought, are you playing the game in an
Is it me?
important class? Yes, you, Tolu, an important class because I don't know what I was hearing.
So I didn't want to cheat. So I didn't want to say cheat.
Tolu, are you playing a game in
No,
a
I'll
class
he's
where you
slap
don't
he's
know what
listening
class
to
is?
UK drills. Tolu, why?
I know you want to say. How can you say?
No,
Bro is not
it's
funny.
fine. It's fine. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, because I wanted to ask you guys to explain everything now, but this disappointed me. Wow, as simple as class is. Pastor, you're shocking me the most. Hmm.
So please ask another
You're shock-
question. We need to redeem ourselves.
Okay.
you guys
Yeah,
are
that's
shocking me.
another
You guys are
question. We need to
So I
redeem
wow.
just so,
ourselves.
so I just ask another question.
Okay, I
So
need to
CSS
redeem myself.
means cascading style sheet.
I knew
VS
that.
Code
No,
means
no.
Visual Studio
All,
Code.
all, all those all those
See,
ones are simple. All those ones are simple. Let me ask you for my HTML because this is really this is surprising. Fasui,
ah,
you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm always calling your name because you were here yesterday when I was doing this thing.
Pursue wine.
I, I can't.
I can
Please.
why you talking? You know, you were telling me blueprints. Hold yourself.
Uh,
Okay, okay. All right. I know what I'll use. Remember, I was talking about border earlier, right? Can you guys hear me? So mute yourself. I know
yes,
you're
sir.
playing the game. Mute yourself.
yes, sir.
Okay. So I was talking about border earlier. All right. Now
I didn't
tell
hear you.
me, no, yes, flowers. Who is on TikTok? Please come
Oh,
back to this. Come back to this meeting. If you tell me the person's name, the questions I'll be giving will be harder. I'm sure it's Tolu. It's Tolu.
So no, it's not me.
No, I'll make a separate test for you on Monday,
Me.
and
So
I'll make your
separating
scores
you.
visible. Yes, that's what I'll do. I'll make your scores
Oh wait.
visible.
So separating. So wait. I can't. I can't.
Okay.
But I didn't play anything. I
Let
don't play anything.
let's continue. So I talked about border. I talked about margin. And I talked about display. Tell me what border does. Tell me how margin helps it, and tell me what that display does with the border. Those are the three things I want you to tell me. Did you get my question?
So please, can you repeat that again?
Okay. What I said is that you're going to tell me, because I talked about border, margin, and display. Now, what you're going to tell me is what border does and how margin and
Yes,
display
sir.
helps it.
Okay.
I'm going to be looking at Andekan and Fastway for
Okay,
this
sir.
anyway,
one because
Sir.
that's
Andekan,
wait.
Aka, and
Yes,
That's
sir.
Fastway are the
okay.
ones I'm going to focus
So,
on this particular one because you were here yesterday when I explained this thing deeply.
ah,
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
So
which one
yes,
is
yes.
so can you
Can
scroll
I
up?
start?
Scroll up as up. Let me even enter the HTML.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
can I start?
Andy can. The
Sir,
floor is
please, sir,
yours.
please let me start.
In fact, no, Andy can wait. Andy can wait. Andy can wait.
So
Wait,
I
wait,
said, so,
wait. No, wait. You
okay,
start. Wait, wait.
okay.
You start. Paswe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm calling your name. Paswe.
Yes, sir.
Because Andikan and Akan were
Sir?
glitching in and out yesterday, but you were here from the beginning. So,
Yes.
so
Okay.
you're here from the beginning to the end, and you're the one telling me you understood the most. So,
Yeah.
if you Andikan says anything,
But
just
I understood.
you understood. Explain it.
Okay. But he said he was go first. I don't like being
You don't like you want someone to say it first so that you grab for what they are saying.
no, no.
I know this. I know the styles. I know the styles.
Okay,
So, did you
let me
understand what did you understand what I taught you yesterday?
yes, I did.
You understood.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. I'm not- I'll ask you something else because I want Andy can tell me what he has to say. Your question will be different. Don't worry. Andy can talk to me about border,
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir,
margin,
yes, sir,
and
yes, sir.
display and how they all
Ah,
correlate.
well,
So, yeah, so basically, border is like those lines that surround a text. So how margin
Yeah.
and display helps them? So margin like helps centralize it or helps shift the position of it. While
Okay.
display, if you don't put display inline block, the border will occupy the whole horizontal space the text occupies. But if you put display, you could inline block. It would make the border wrap around the text only, and there are other display functions that you could do. Yeah, and margin. Uh, uh, uh,
Yeah.
I don't know
You
how
know
to,
what? It's okay.
I don't
No,
know
it's
how to
okay.
put it.
It's okay.
Like solid,
It's okay. You
there are solid borders
no,
and
Andy
they're just
can.
okay, okay.
Andy can. You have done. I like that. That's at least you've redeemed yourself small. You've redeemed yourself.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
make your questions easier. As for the rest of you, so the questions will be hard, especially you, Pastor, because you're following my hand.
Can I
Jesus.
do
But yeah,
myself?
give me another question.
Sir, please.
another question. Hmm.
Yeah.
Felicitas, have you been following us?
So what do you say?
No, I'm talking about Felicitas. Have you been following us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll ask one more question and then I'll end it there and I'll tell you what I'm taking Monday. So this one is just for first way because your questions will look like this, but I'll twist them. The questions will look like this, but I'll twist them. First way, what did I tell you this week means?
Uh,
Which one is tell me you. This
so
is your
you're
last
bringing
chance. What?
that means what did you say? I didn't get that last part.
What did I tell you that week that I wrote there means?
It's like to fit the um because you have to align the text into the
Mm,
margin, like the block, the
mm,
the border. Yeah. So the width is just like to fit it.
okay. That's good. Ask Anism before you start forgetting. So, and they can. You redeemed yourself. I swear I'm still angry with you,
Myself.
but we'll show. But the test will show me what I need to know. Don't worry. Don't worry. The test will show me what I need to know about who was paying attention and who wasn't. And I'll know
Why
if
you
you
don't
use
see?
AI. And they can. I can. Either you want to do and tell me blueprint. I'll know if you use AI for that test.
So
Talking about account, I want to use AI and tell me blueprints. Let the test come
GPT
first.
final.
I do.
Okay. Now, okay, everybody mute yourselves. That was a good interactive session. I'm happy we all I'm happy some of us know what I'm doing here. I'm not happy people that I taught yesterday were following my hand, but the test will
That
show me
no
what
be,
I
I
need
don't
to
come
know.
yesterday class. I don't come. I didn't come.
I explained it again today. You also saw my hand, and you were playing game. I'll be you on
Stop,
TikTok.
stop, stop. She's, I, sir, you can check my history. There's
It's
no
fine.
cheating
It's
on.
fine. Meet yourselves. Meet yourselves. Let me
Sir,
let me
what
tell
is
you what I'll be
that?
doing next week,
Sir, who said
Monday.
I'm playing TikTok? Sir,
No, the chance to redeem yourself is coming on Monday. Don't worry. But let me tell you what I'll be doing from next week. Let me give you an idea so that if you want to read on it, you can go and read on it. So next week we should be finishing my basic CSS stuff. I'm just showing you because I don't want it to be like I'm bombarding you with one. It's like I'm using HTML to finish you guys here, HTML and CSS to finish you guys here. So all I've done today is basically all the basic fundamental beginner stuff you guys will need to know. If you guys want to build on it, if you want to build on HTML, your CSS, that I'm leaving that up to you. So I'm going to finish all of this next week, hopefully Monday after your test, after you guys have finished proving yourself to me. So
please, what's the test?
one
What part are you actually going to have success in the test?
ah what have we Wizzy, partner, what have we done since the beginning of this online tech camp? Because I think it's not only HTML that asks you.
What have we what?
What have this test should it contain everything that I've done from the beginning
No,
or
no,
just
no. Just
HTML?
just based on HTML and CSS.
Okay. Shall I train
Yeah.
some few things? I want to see if they remember. Just shall I train some few things from internet and the rest.
Yes. Okay. But I already gave an assignment on that particular this thing. That
Yeah, I
particular.
know, but
Yeah.
let
So
the test have like one or two questions from them.
okay.
I just want to know if they are so
Okay
that
then.
as we are going, they are following up with everything and still remembering what we have done.
Okay then.
You
But
guys, I will get okay. What?
I was planning like a final exam, so I don't know. I was
Oh no,
planning.
final exams coming. This one is just a test for this HTML because they are following my hand today.
Okay.
That final exam is coming.
Yeah.
Wait,
So
what?
on Monday.
So-
Okay.
Just say final exam.
Yeah, there'll be a final
Be
exam.
there now. Be there.
Get prepared.
Yeah,
Pasui,
we're
that's the
prepared.
hand up.
That final exams will be before
I thought you
your
wanted to ask a
project
question.
phase. Are you listening?
It will be what?
Yes, sir.
The text fair.
Yes, it will be before your tech fair, before your project phase. So that final week, that last week, when you are preparing for your tech fair, you have the exams before your preparation. All right.
I sure hope you guys have been listening. If you're not, go to YouTube and checking these things because
So just just get
your
prepared
scores will
before
be
tech.
visible.
Sir, please,
Your scores will
when
be
is the
visible
uploading
and
of
we'll
this?
laugh at you.
What do you say?
When will the recording of this class be
The
up?
YouTube.
The
You're asking about the YouTube uploads.
Okay, the YouTube. Okay.
The,
This I think today everything should be uploaded.
Sir,
Sir,
I
Huh?
don't
maybe what
think
time?
I'll be here.
What time? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. But it's not on me to upload.
Sir, I don't think I'll be here for the tech fair.
Who is that?
this particular class,
Who does it? Who does cook?
Yeah, it's possible.
Pastor, what is the question? You wanted to ask something.
I don't think
Okay.
I'll
Hey,
be here for the tech fair.
oh, where would you be?
Where would you be?
Probably,
Huh?
I'll
Huh?
probably be by that time.
In
No, tech fair.
In 2 weeks' time.
In 2 weeks' time.
Yeah.
So from not 2 weeks' time, and you'll be there. You'll be here
You'll
for
be
this
there
tech
now.
fair. Don't
Like
worry.
you being in
You'll
school is
be
not.
here for this tech fair. It's not
You
going
be.
to be a problem
It's not going to. Yeah, exactly.
because I don't think you'll be
Okay.
teaching during tech fair. That is just you and your projects, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there won't be any like major classes. It's just your project that you'll be working on. Now,
Yes.
like I was saying about next week. Next week we'll be going into a little bit because I want to finish web before Thursday next week. So we're going into a little bit of JavaScript to pump up your web page to make it look okay, to all those interactions and everything. But we'll not dive deep into it like what you saw that time. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we'll finish HTML and CSS Monday because for what I want to do in CSS on Monday, I have to share something again in HTML, like what I did with sections today. So we'll do that on Monday, and then we'll dive into JavaScript, and I'll just take like a few things. If you want to learn it, if you want to build up on your web page, that's on you because you'll be learning a lot here. So if you want to build up on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that's on you.
Yeah. If you want to build up, you can come around after for like specialized session, but that particular section is paid. You get normally this HTML and CSS. A standard HTML and CSS course should be like web development, front end web development course should be at least 3 to 6 months, honestly,
Jesus.
to go in depth. But since we are like more like rushing it, but we are just scratching the surface, right? We're just scratching the surface. It's more like a crash course, basically. So
Yeah.
if you want to like go further, you can come around. You can still be available, right? So I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. Tolu, it's not like you not know what you're doing. It's not like you not know what you're doing before the end of the
This is
6 months. It's just that for you to really build up and get a serious idea, to take that amount of time. Nothing,
yes,
nothing, nothing in coding never ever takes like 2 weeks to perfect.
at all, at all. That's for you
It
to actually
doesn't. It
land.
does.
For you to land a job, right? You need to actually like be intense about it.
People that are coding, that are actually working in all these big companies, is years of experience that they have that carry them there.
Yeah.
Years of experience, not 2 weeks something that you say and you not come to wow.
I'm so
But
sorry,
don't
guys.
worry, don't worry. 6 months to pass now. It's not the end of the world if you want to build on what you're
Yeah.
doing. 6 months to pass.
Yeah.
So
So just
I
so
think
what
that's
we're,
basically what.
what
Yeah,
we're giving you now is like a foundational knowledge so that when you are entering into like the main stuff, you don't like everything doesn't sound new to you. You get so
yeah. You don't have to start from the
that's why you're
beginning
like
again.
you are ahead. Yeah, you're ahead of your peers like currently, right?
Yeah.
So you should be happy.
So I think that's everything I wanted to say again. Please, is there anything else we have forgotten to mention?
Nothing much, nothing much.
Okay. Just look out on the group for when I
Yeah,
post the assignments.
okay. There'll be
If
an
you have any
assignment for them,
questions,
right?
this is
There'll be an
huh?
assignment for them, right?
Yeah, there'll be an assignment for the weekend.
Okay.
That's why I did not give any assignments during the week. I want them to use the weekend and work on something for me.
Okay. All right.
Okay. If you have any questions, now is the time before we close.
Yeah, so questions. Questions.
So please, the test on Monday, how many questions is it going to be?
You see, you
I,
see. Oh no,
yeah,
you
I don't know
see. We
yet.
can't we can't give
I
you
don't know
any.
yet. We'll know by
We
then,
can't
don't
we
worry.
can't give you
Are
any.
you
You
still
know, don't
angry?
worry.
Okay,
Pass
okay,
way.
okay. So please, on Monday,
Yes, we all are.
after the
Oh God.
test,
I can. We'll have problem. I can. We'll have problem. And they can always say,
so please, on Monday, after the test, is there going to be classes?
no, I'm
Yes.
going to I'm going to finish up on HTML and CSS now. The test will not take the whole day.
Yes,
So,
it'll be
Thank God.
so
Thank God,
how
like
much
a
is
5 minutes test. Okay,
yes. It's
Five
going to be a
minutes
short.
here.
It's going to be
five
short, but
minutes.
not 5 minutes.
It's going to be
Sir, when
it's
is
going to
the
be short, but
test?
not 5 minutes.
Sir,
Monday,
when is the
prepare.
test?
Monday, prepare.
So
Yes. Don't worry. For you
will
guys,
the test be
people
hard?
that you see.
Of course not.
Hopefully,
Hi.
hopefully, if you study, yeah, if you study on what I've taught you, it will not be hard. If you do not, sorry for you.
Sir, please,
You
Hi.
have
are
to
you going to show
study.
our
You have to
marks to
study.
the
You need
entire
to
class?
upload.
Ah,
Like from beginning.
I'm thinking if I show your marks to know who is falling whose hand.
No.
Then I will now laugh.
No.
Please, can you take this screen up? I'm taking note of it.
Screen.
That's
Well, since
brutal.
I'm not, yeah, first, wait, what do you want to ask?
Sir, please
For
go
instance, I'll
down, go
get back
down.
to you.
Ask me whether you're still
Yeah, for
angry.
this,
but
whether
if you
I'm
give
still
us
angry at you.
a
It's
homework,
okay.
Yeah.
Sir, it's okay,
sir,
it's okay.
sir,
Yeah,
sir, if you
first,
give
I'm
us a
coming.
homework to do during the weekend, what time are we going to have to read?
The homework is what is happening to you. I don't understand you.
So
Yeah.
the
No
test is
And
the
problem, sir.
so
homework.
when you're working on your web page, won't you know what you're doing?
Yes.
So what do you think will? So
Sir,
using
I
that
need the
knowledge, won't you be able
recording to.
to?
And they
The
can
recording will be the.
and they
Yes,
can
sir. Yes, sir.
you doing your assignment is the same thing as you reading, because if you actually doing your assignments yourself, you get the questions,
Yeah.
you understand. This is
Yeah.
not this is
Like
not
the
this is not physics or chemistry that you need to, you know, read for.
so the
This is
homework is the test.
The homework, no, the homework is your revision for the test.
Yeah.
Revision. Oh.
Yeah, you understand now. So
flowers. Flowers. Do you
no,
guys agree with what flowers is saying on the comments?
let me see that. Can you show our parents as well so that you know their children are serious? Okay, I'll post it on the group now. Your scores will be on the
It will
group.
be on the group,
Don't worry.
yeah.
We'll post your scores on the group so that your parents will see what their children are doing.
So just be prepared.
Okay. So, Pastor, what did you
Yes,
want to
sir.
ask? If I'm still angry with you
Yes.
after folding my hand today,
I'm sorry.
okay, I will not be angry with you. We'll see what we do. If you don't do well on Monday, then we'll have a problem. Even you and Deacon, because Deacon used to be asking questions a lot. Say if you and Deacon don't do well, and the rest of you, but especially Deacon,
So we need to
if
split
you
it
don't
for
do well,
Wait.
we'll have
some.
problem
Okay,
there.
wait. If I do well, but he doesn't do well.
Yeah, I have no problem with you now. It's
Okay,
Deacon.
okay.
Deacon never fight
So
his
please,
head.
what if I don't attend the class to take
No,
the
no,
test?
I don't what meaning what? As long as you're here now and I've said this thing, you must be in that class for that test.
So what if Wi-Fi finishes?
So if there's
Huh?
network problem.
No,
What
don't
if
worry. Recharge for that day. I'll post it. See all these things that you're saying. It will be posted on the group.
See, it will be
All
like
the
this.
remedies and everything.
See, for those that are planning to come late, you have a private test. If
So
that's okay.
what if Zoom decides to end their company today?
Oh,
uh-huh. They use
there are
microphone.
other there are other ones now. Don't worry, there are others.
Who,
Oh,
who
and
likes
you'll be sharing your screens.
who likes makeup tests here?
What do we share?
Sir, what
Who
did
likes
you say?
makeup?
Sir,
Who
what did
likes
you just
makeup?
say?
Who likes
the
makeup
Silence.
tests?
Makeup test.
flowers like makeup
Makeup
test.
test.
Like
I don't
for
think
those
we
that
should do
are
any
planning,
makeup test now.
for those that are planning to
For those that
miss,
are
you
coming,
have special private tests.
okay, okay, those that missed, you have a special test waiting, and your test will be harder because I don't know why you missed the main one.
Yes,
Sir,
except except you are not present in this class. I'm taking note of.
So I don't
You
include
know, if you're not present, we've taken attendance. If you're not present here, then we understand. But if as long as you're here, looking at my screen as I'm talking, and you miss this
that's
class,
just
and you miss
actually
Monday's
showing
So
black.
I'm not
Monday's
looking
test,
at your
So I'm
screen.
not
Sir,
just
please put the
showing black.
index HTML.
so what are you saying?
So what if my VS Code stops working?
Uh-uh.
Nothing,
No, your test will be on
asking,
VS Code.
so my
Though.
system is
No,
asking
no,
for
no, no.
updates. So my system is asking for updates,
Wait.
and it's actually required that it take more than 3 days to update.
Yes. On Monday 9:30 a.m.
This
to
this
12
these
o'clock.
are very funny excuses.
All you
I'm
guys
telling you,
is 8
as
So
gig
long as
it
you're in
says
this
I should
class,
update it by
if you miss
9:30
Monday's
on
class
Monday. I
for
spent
any
over
reason,
3
you will have a
hours.
makeup test.
So what if on Monday we to present our final project?
As of
So what if
see, all
never?
these excuses is not doing anything to me. All this is
So
I can.
so
Yes, I can.
so what if we
Wait,
don't
where's
do our homework,
blueprint guy?
but we pass the test? Blueprint guy.
If you don't do your homework.
Yeah,
Oh
my
no, your
name is
homework.
shame.
The test will happen.
So what if
Ah,
on Monday I not see my? So
see, all these excuses are not doing anything to
what
me.
if
This
on
that is
Monday I
happening on
not see
Monday,
my
whether you like
computer?
No more what ifs. No more what ifs. No more what ifs. No more what ifs. The test will hold. The test will
it.
hold.
Okay.
No
The
what
test will
ifs.
hold. There's no excuse you
Meet,
want to give me.
meet your mic. Meet your mic.
Because
Okay. Now let's I think that's everything we have for you today. Keep your eyes on the group for the assignments that will be posted for when I'll post the assignments. So wisdom, if there's nothing else, I think we can end this here.
Yes, we can end it here. Adi, can I have a
Yeah,
question?
let's stop here. And they can.
So please, what did you say class was again?
Ah,
What if what?
no, he's
No, I
asking
said,
what
what
class
did you
is.
say? Say class was the name of the section. Was that what you said?
Ask your
Yes, yes,
ask your
yes.
sister.
Okay. My sister.
Okay, you
Yes.
know this thing. I don't know why you're not asking. Ask her. She answered that question very well.
Ask again.
Use
So,
ChatGPT.
Oh yeah.
stop lying.
Oh wow. Well, if you can use ChatGPT to learn, but don't use it to answer when I'm asking you. That's all. So
So do you
we'll end
actually
the
have to
class here
share screen?
today. Oh no, so I'll see what you're doing in case you want to leave and enter somewhere else. So
All
I
right.
think we can end it here for today. All right.
Yeah. So in the absence of any unemployment, I'll just stop the recording.
Yeah.